How you doing?
You are? Nathan?
Oh, it's incredible. I mean, this is the stuff of legends, right? That goes into the mission field. Being able to experience it is just awesome. Got the earless headset for the turbine. Because you can do that.
It's our Kodiak. We have, 12 of these around the world? And you can join in right there. All right, here we go.
What'd you think? It was awesome. Really fun. What makes it cool? Its stall speed, rate, how fast it can climb, how slow it can land, how much it can haul. Just all of that's really, really cool. Yeah. So this is the turbine intake.
A couple little features I'll share about it. Just see this continuing leading edge. You can see that it's tilted it down, so the angle of attack is different. That allows us to actually do a stall aileron.
Generally speaking, we say, well, whatever a Skyhawk can do, we can do better.
We'll have some fun when we're up there. We're going to do some steep turns, 45 degrees away, and let this aircraft be nothing but a tool that impacts eternity and helps people come to know Jesus.
Here we go. Starters on.
Cause system test. Okay.
Flight 1, 90 perfect. Now watching ITV. Secondaries kick in, be about 700 degrees.